I always had such a vivid imagination and was so easily distracted by colours and textures. I remember when I had my first swimming lesson when I was 5 years old, and I was so distracted by the way that my hair looked like it was dry underwater that I couldn't pay attention to the lesson. My house was always full of colour and life and laughter, and my next door neighbours let me paint on the walls and draw on the walls, and when I went home to my mum she was furious when I started drawing on the walls. What I love most about painting is just playing with colour.
I think it brings instant emotion to my work. It can unlock so much joy and optimism. I'm taking a snapshot of a moment where I see beauty, and in that I'm trying to reflect my strongest memories of joy and laughter through colour.